When Addison Rae, the social media sensation with millions of followers across platforms, allegedly launched an OnlyFans account, the internet went into a frenzy. Fans who had followed her journey from TikTok fame to mainstream celebrity were left shocked and confused. While many influencers have turned to the platform for various reasons, the idea of Addison Rae joining OnlyFans sparked immediate controversy, with supporters and critics alike voicing their opinions loudly across social media. Speculation about why Addison made this move ran rampant. Some believed it was a strategic business decision, capitalizing on her vast fan base, while others speculated she was under pressure to keep up with the ever-evolving influencer economy. Regardless of the motive, the announcement hit like a storm, and everyone wanted answers. Questions swirled. Was this a cash grab? A publicity stunt? Or something more? The shock quickly turned into debate. Industry experts chimed in, arguing whether this decision would tarnish her brand or open new doors. Some pointed out that Addison had carefully curated a wholesome, family-friendly image, making this pivot to OnlyFans seem out of character. Was this the beginning of a rebrand or a mistake she might regret? The backlash was swift and brutal. Social media exploded with hashtags like hashtag Addison Exposed and hashtag OnlyFansGate, as fans demanded explanations. Many felt betrayed, arguing that Addison had built her career on relatability and a connection with younger audiences. Concerns about the influence this might have on impressionable followers became a hot topic, with parents and advocacy groups stepping in to criticize her. Critics argued that Addison's decision set a dangerous precedent, implying that even the most successful influencers needed to resort to such platforms to stay relevant. The controversy ignited a larger conversation about influencer culture and the pressures creators face to maintain their income streams in an unpredictable digital landscape. Despite the backlash, Addison remained largely silent. Her social media channels carried on as usual, with carefully curated posts that avoided addressing the scandal directly. This silence only fueled more speculation and frustration among fans, who demanded transparency. Not everyone was against Addison's alleged OnlyFans venture. A wave of supporters quickly emerged, arguing that she had every right to take control of her brand and financial future. Many influencers, after all, have successfully leveraged OnlyFans to engage with their audience on their own terms, offering exclusive content without the restrictions of traditional social media platforms. Supporters pointed out that the criticism Addison faced was rooted in outdated perceptions of the platform. They argued that OnlyFans was no longer just about explicit content, but had evolved into a hub for creators to share behind-the-scenes looks, tutorials, and personalized interactions with their audience. Still, the debate raged on. Could Addison redefine the platform's image, or was she simply adding fuel to the fire? As opinions continued to clash, Addison's team was faced with the challenge of navigating the fine line between empowerment and controversy. Major media outlets wasted no time picking up the story, plastering headlines with Addison's name alongside phrases like scandal, shock, and career-ending move. The media frenzy added more fuel to the controversy, with every major entertainment news site dissecting the situation. Talk shows and podcasts dedicated entire segments to analyzing Addison's OnlyFans venture, with experts weighing in on how this could impact her brand and career longevity. Some argued that the attention, good or bad, was still publicity, and in the world of social media influencers, attention equates to relevance. Even celebrities joined the conversation, with some defending Addison and others questioning her judgment. The media circus showed no signs of slowing down, with outlets digging into every aspect of her career, past controversies, and future prospects. One of the most discussed aspects of the controversy was the financial angle. Reports speculated that Addison could be making millions from an OnlyFans account, drawing comparisons to other influencers who had raked in substantial profits. Some insiders suggested that this move was simply Addison capitalizing on an untapped revenue stream. However, skeptics pointed out that Addison was already financially successful with brand deals, acting gigs, and her own product lines. Was this a sign that influencer income streams were becoming less reliable, or was she just being smart about diversifying her earnings? Whether driven by money or not, the financial implications were undeniable. With so much attention on her alleged OnlyFans venture, brands she had partnerships with started reconsidering their association with her, leading to potential long-term impacts. As the controversy grew, all eyes turned to Addison's family, particularly her mother and father, who had been closely involved in her career. Fans and media alike wondered how they felt about the situation, considering Addison's wholesome beginnings. Rumors began to surface about family tensions behind the scenes. Some insiders claimed that her parents were caught off guard by the OnlyFans move, while others suggested they had been aware and supportive. Regardless, the family dynamic was put under the spotlight, adding another layer of drama to the unfolding saga. Fans speculated whether Addison's team was working overtime to manage the fallout, or if they were intentionally staying quiet to let the controversy die down. Either way, the family's silence spoke volumes. As the controversy escalated, major brands that had once proudly partnered with Addison found themselves in a tough spot. Would they continue their collaborations, or distance themselves to avoid potential backlash? Some brands remained neutral, choosing to wait and see how the situation unfolded. Others subtly pulled back their support, removing Addison's face from promotional materials and staying silent on social media. For a public figure who had built much of her career on sponsorships, this posed a significant threat. Industry insiders debated whether Addison's brand would survive the scandal, or if she would have to embark on a rebranding journey to regain trust. The influencer marketing landscape had become more volatile than ever, and Addison's case was a prime example. With Addison's name attached to a platform known for its explicit content, legal experts began weighing in on the potential repercussions. Could she face contract breaches with existing partners? Was there any legal action being considered by stakeholders involved? Lawyers specializing in influencer agreements highlighted how brands often include morality clauses that could void deals if an influencer's actions are deemed controversial. If Addison's OnlyFans account crossed any contractual boundaries, she could be facing financial penalties or lawsuits. As the dust settled, legal experts analyzed whether Addison had carefully considered the potential risks, or if she had been caught up in the allure of fast profits and media attention. After days of speculation and mounting pressure, Addison finally addressed the controversy. Whether through a carefully crafted statement or a tell-all interview, her words carried weight. Fans wanted honesty, critics wanted accountability, and brands wanted assurance. Addison's response aimed to clarify her intentions, reaffirming her commitment to her fans while maintaining control over her narrative. She emphasized that the move was not meant to alienate anyone, but to explore new opportunities. However, not everyone was satisfied. Some believe her statement was too scripted, while others felt it lacked genuine remorse or transparency. the battle for public perception was far from over. As the controversy simmered, the big question remained: what's next for Addison Rae? Would she double down on her OnlyFans venture, or take a step back and focus on damage control? Speculation about upcoming projects, potential collaborations, and her overall career trajectory filled the conversation. Some believed she could turn this into a success story, while others thought it marked the beginning of her decline. Regardless of what the future holds, one thing was clear: Addison Rae's OnlyFans controversy had left an indelible mark on influencer culture, and the world was watching her next move closely.